This case study looks at how Fronema designed the IronCAD solution for 3D PDF parts list navigation using the PDF3D SDK Pro toolkit. The toolkit provides all the low-level parts and components needed for publishing 3D PDF in custom applications. The editor first sets up the design for where the 3D view should go, sets the BOM or part list area, sets the position on the page for the 3D view buttons, and also adds title block information and logos. Once this template is launched in IronCAD, the template design is selected for the output report, including multiple pages, such as drawing pages can be added or background information. And finally, export to PDF3D can also include watermarks and other annotation information. The resulting PDF has an intro page, a 2D drawing page from IronCAD, and then a 3D page containing the full interactive parts list. The 3D view in the window allows free navigation, and the part list for all the major components are shown on the left, which can be selected to highlight individual components and their names and orientation. Views are also created with an automatic view list to position the model. And also rendering styles can be changed, such as a black and white drawing or different kinds of shaded treatments. This case study is courtesy of Fronema. See ironcad.it. To discuss your application or request an evaluation of PDF3D SDK, see PDF3D.com.